Right. Good morning, everyone. Last class, we have completed comments. Also, we have completed identifiers. And we have learned some points also on which one is right identifier, which is wrong identifier also we have identified. And we started also keyword, right? So we have understood 1 or 2 points about keyword. Tell me, what is a keyword? A keyword is a predefined identifier. Can I say every predefined identifier is a keyword? No. Class name is also predefined identifier? Yes. Variable name is also predefined identifier? Yes. Method name is also predefined identifier? Yes. Okay. So every predefined identifier is a keyword? No. If you want to call predefined identifier as a keyword, it must be reserved in Java program. If it is reserved in Java program, can I say keyword? No. It should perform one operation. It should perform one operation. So tell me, what is a keyword? Keyword, whenever you say, you must talk about two words. Number one, reserved and should perform one operation. Suppose I'm taking a word called null. I'm taking one word called null. Null is a keyword? No. Is null a reserved word? Yes. Again repeating. Null is not a keyword, but it is a reserved word. So what is a keyword? What is a reserved word? A word that is reserved and performing one operation. Performing one operation. Then we call it as what? Reserved word. I mean keyword. Did you save yesterday notes? Think no. Let's see. Didn't remember whether I saved or not. Yes, saved. Keywords, a predefined identifier that is reserved in Java language, has a special meaning and performs one unique operation in Java program is called what? Keyword. Is it clear my point? Now, for example, tell me now, class, public, static, int, etc. are keywords. String is a predefined identifier, but not a keyword. String is a predefined identifier, but not a keyword. It is a predefined class name. Okay, these are the points we have completed in last class. Next, tell me, if you want to perform one operation, everyone tell me, if you want to perform one operation in Java program, I have to use what? Keyword. Listen, I wanted to open one notepad. Tell me, now this program I am saving with some name. Say, suppose I am taking with name, say addition already there. Let me take subtraction. I am saving with the name what? Subtraction Jaja. Tell me, can I write a program now as per my wish? Can I write program as per my wish? No, you cannot write as your wish. It is not your language. Hello, it is not your language. You cannot write as your wish, isn't it? And tell me, what should I do now? I have to tell to compiler, listen, every sentence you are writing here, you are telling to whom? Compiler. Okay, you are telling to compiler, hey compiler, create a class with name subtraction. How can I tell? By you, half of answer you are telling. By using the keyword class. By using keyword class. Open bracket, close bracket. Now compiler can understand? Yes. By using the keyword class, we are asking the compiler to perform one operation. What is that? Subtraction. Create a class to perform operation subtraction. Okay. Now tell me, is this class accessible to other programs? I want to allow this program to accessible to other classes from different folders. Within the folder, allowed. Within your house, can you talk to your father, mother? Yes. From Hyderabad to your native place, friends, father, mother, can you talk? No. We need some extra. What is that extra? Phone. Now, I wanted to declare this class to accessible throughout the world. Then what should I require? Public. Tell me, by using the keyword public, I am telling to the compiler, what I am telling? Compiler, allow this class to access from other folders also. For that, I am using the keyword public. So tell me, what is the purpose of the keyword? A keyword is used for communicating to the compiler and JVM to perform one operation for us. Understand my point, right? Understand what the purpose of keyword? Keyword is used for communicating to compiler and JVM. Came to the class late, again he went to the outside. Immediately you have to join to the class. Only bringing body is not sufficient. Brain also important. Right, tell me. What is the purpose of keyword? Keyword is used for communicating to compiler and JVM to perform one operation in the Java program. What is the use of keyword? It is having special meaning and perform one unique operation in a Java program. Who will perform that unique operation? I am performing a compiler JVM. Compiler and JVM. Okay. To perform that operation, I have to use the keyword. Na? I am using the keyword capital C. Allowed or not allowed? I am using capital P. Allowed or not allowed? Not allowed. Keywords are predefined. Keywords are predefined. However, they defined in the same syntax, in the same spelling, in the same case, I have to use or not. If you change the case or if you change the spelling, is it allowed or not allowed? Not allowed. Java is case sensitive, right? The rule in using a keyword, the rule in using keyword, the rules in using a keyword are: number one, we cannot use keywords as user defined identifiers. Number two, right on. What complete? Did you write this center line? This one also. So we cannot use keywords as a user defined identifier. What else there? కనబడట్లేదు మరి ఎక్కడైనా కూర్చున్నావు కనబడపోద్ది మరి ఎక్కడైనా కూర్చున్నావు చేంజ్ చేసుకోవాలి కదా because they are reside in Java language. Because they are reside in Java language. Next, we must use keyword all letters in lower case. Why? Because keyword is predefined with all letters in lower case. Not Java is case sensitive. For example, is it right or wrong? Compile time error. Because C cap letter. Class sample int double D into double equals to 10. Compile time error because double is a keyword. One second. Why keyword, or what is the purpose of a keyword? Now tell me. A keyword is used for communicating to na with. This is my confusion in English. Communicating with I should use or to I should use. English masters. Communicating to, communicating with. Communicating with, communicating to, with. Why with? Why not to? Come on, all people are masters in English from childhood. You are English medium only. తెలుగులో అయితే వెరీ సింపుల్. సో వాళ్ళతోటి మాట్లాడడానికి అయిపోయింది. Right? In Hindi, Telugu, there is no confusion. Only single letter will work. But in English, lot of words are there. Communicating to also correct. Communicating with also correct. Communicating to means one-way direction. I am telling, he is doing. He is not returning to anything to me. Communicating with means two-way direction is there. I am telling, that other person also telling to me. Tell me now. I am communicating with the students. Correct? What the meaning of it? I am telling something, you are telling to me back something. Two-way direction, message passing is there. Then what? Communicating. Communicating to means I am sending instructions, you are doing it. You are not telling back to me anything. Then we have to use what? Communicating to. What should I use here? With or to? To. We are instructing compiler to do. Compiler not written telling to you anything, right? It is used for communicating to compiler and JVM. Where I learn? Google Mata. Yesterday I searched. When I was preparing notes, okay? When I was preparing notes yesterday, a keyword is used for communicating to or with. I searched. How I searched? Simple. Go to Google. Okay, I written here. Look at that. Communicating to or with. Oh, there are so many people I have confusion on the same thing like me. Yes. Then both of these prepositions are used after the verb. And some people may use them interchangeably. A native US speaker tend to use to if communication is more or less unidirectional, and with if multidirectional. Okay, Google Mata. Okay, go ahead. And now tell. A keyword is used to communicating to compiler and JVM to perform one operation in a Java program. Who will use this keyword? A keyword is used by developer. If you want to write, otherwise leave it. Don't say ichu, okay? There is no wrong. If you add also, there is not much meaning, okay? Just I feel to write, that's it. A keyword is used by developer for communicating to compiler and JVM to perform one operation in a Java program. I didn't by heart anything at home and coming here and delivering, okay? I'm not by heart that person. I feel that is right, I'm writing, that's it, okay? In the middle, if I do any adjustment, you can write if you want to write, otherwise leave it. A keyword is used by developer, class, public, we are typing. For what? For communicating to compiler and JVM. For what purpose? To perform one operation in a Java program. By developer or by compiler? By compiler and JVM. We are asking the compiler and JVM to perform one operation. By using keyword, developer asking compiler and JVM to perform one operation behalf of the developer. Okay, now the question you should get, what are the different operations? What are the different operations we can perform in a Java program by using keyword, by using keywords. What are the different operations you can perform in a Java program by using keywords? You want to feel Java easy or you want to feel Java tough? Okay, entire world Java feeling very tough. Entire world people are feeling Java very tough. Java is a ocean. Now then, when I was trying to join Java, there was a competition between Java and .NET. Many people say Java tough, .NET is easy. Then I started asking, when Java is very tough, how these many people are learning? How these many companies are running? How these many institutes, these many faculties are surviving? Okay, I ask a question. Java first invented or .NET first invented? Java first invented, .NET came next. Okay, then when Java is already there in the market, .NET is invented next means there is a problem with Java. To overcome that problem of Java, .NET came. Then I started asking myself, analyzing, asking with the seniors. I used to ask, and working employees, my friends, array, in company, when Java is used, when .NET is used, where Java more popular, where .NET is more popular. I started asking the people. Everybody say that Java more popular for backend, .NET is more popular for front end. And if you want to develop front-end UI screens with some little mathematical calculation, .NET will be used. If your application is a very big, company-related big mathematical operations, okay, big transactionals, I mean, money transaction doing, lot of security is required, then Java is used. Understand? Yes. Tell me, which language will you choose now after this discussion? Java or .NET? What people are saying? .NET for front-end screens to develop. Java meant for developing back-end. More security required, more business applications I want to develop, then people use Java. Then my mind told me, array, front-end develop now .NET, in the future may another language may come. Currently .NET using, maybe HTML may be used in future, or maybe another technology may come to develop front-end more easier than .NET. But backend, more security. Which language providing security? Java only. Oh, if I choose Java, my career will be long enough or not? So I taken decision that day. And next I asked, .NET is also language. Java is also language. Telugu also language. Hindi also language. In Telugu, Hindi, we are using only same object. What is that? Mango. In Telugu, we call mango as what do you call mamidi pandu. In Hindi, we call what? Oh, from one language to another language, same concept will be there, but the syntaxes, terminology will be different. Then when Java is tough, .NET is also tough. When .NET is easy, Java is also easy. Only waiver acceptance. In my childhood, Hindi is easy for me, but maths is very tough. My friend is there. My friend always feeling maths is easy. Hindi is feeling very tough. Oh, then I realized, and slowly I'm asking myself, what is the right career for me, right choice for me? If I feel Java is easy, it is easy for me. Let me start feeling easy. I asked us telling Java is easy. Java is easy. I started going to the classes. I have seen Java is having a long enough. It's a very, huge career will be there in Java. I felt, then I choose in Java. .NET after 4 years gone from the market. Java still running as a #1 language. So Microsoft is struggling a lot to make the .NET to stand in the market. But Java happily it is going. Okay. Now what my question I'm asking, you want to feel easy or feel tough depending on your mind. Next. In academics, we learn 5 programs. Very important class today. You have to realize, you have to set up your mind. In academics, you learn 5 programs you learn. That 5 programs you written, pass exam, out of 100 marks. After that, that program in your life, one day did you use? No. Again, you rejoin the course in the Ameripay. For what purpose? Again, to learn that 4-5 program. Find a given number is a palindrome or not. Find a given number is Armstrong number or not. For that purpose you join? No. We need a overview. Java is huge. Yes, it is a ocean. What you have to learn? how to balance your boat in the water. Yes or no? If you want to go into the ocean, when the big wave is coming, how to balance? And balance you should learn. Not to swim, not to sail the boat, you should not learn. How to balance the boat, you have to learn. That's why fishermen, even though there is a huge cyclone is there also, they wish to go because they know how to balance the boat. But you people, by seeing a small wave also, mummy, running out. Are you catching my point? So tell me, what you want to learn? You learn keywords, or you want to learn operations performing by the keywords? If I learn operations performing by keywords, automatically keywords will come with me or not? If you learn how to balance the cycle, automatically cycle riding will come or not? Are you understanding what I'm saying? If you know how to eat food, you can learn chicken biryani, mutton biryani, fish biryani, anything you can eat, no? Eating is common, but the content is changing, the syntax is changing. So what you have to focus? Overview. If you learn overview on the concept, automatically the depth will understand automatically to your brain. But the problem with the students, whenever I'm trying to give overview, they feeling, hey, you are wasting my time on theory. Go to program. Program you don't by heart. Program you have to develop by your own. How can you develop by your own? When you know overview. So now next 5 minutes is the most important for you. I am giving you overview. If you remember this overview, Java completed. Advainda Raja? Next 5 minutes, if you focus, Java is completed. Tomorrow, day after tomorrow onwards, you are not learning anything new. You are learning how to implement it, only you are learning. If you know what to implement, automatically you can understand how to implement. You want to ride a cycle. To ride a cycle, what should I push? If you know, automatically you can push that and ride cycle. So what you have to learn now? Programmer, how to write a programmer. For writing how to write a program, first what you learn? What should I learn? What operation I have to do? I want to do this operation. How to do that? Automatically will come. And then automatically started doing it. So tell me, what is the first point you have to learn? What is the purpose of keyword? Keyword is meant for performing operation. Okay, then if you wanted to perform operation, first you should learn what are the different operations you can perform. Where? Java program. Okay, I open Notepad. This is my Java program. .java file I created. Inside this Java file, what are the different operations I can perform? In a Java file, I can perform totally 10 different operations. How many? Only 10 operations. How many? 10 is different. Only 10 is different. 10 operations means more 10 operations. That fear feeling you will get. Only 10. Only 10. Okay. How many you have to learn? Ante, only 10. There are no extra. There is no extra. 1, 2, 3, 4. No. 1 to 10 operations. That's it. If you learn these 10 operations, that's all. Java programming is completed. Adiksha, understanding? Will be later. Everyone, come on, tell me. By using keywords, what are you performing? 10 operations you are performing. How many operations? Only 10. More than this 10, are you going to work anything? No. You are a 1 year experience. Okay, you are a fresher. Join the company. In company projects development, what are you doing? One of these 10 operations. Hey, come on, Ram, common sense fellow. One of these 10 operations. Next. I got the job with a 2 years of experience developer. What are you doing? Same. One of these 10 operations only. I have 10 years of experience, got the job. Still, these 10 operations. You are just about to retire from the IT industry. What are you doing? These 10 operations. Hey, understanding? You are a fresher or so much experienced developer. What are you doing in the company? One of these 10 operations only daily. Not more than this. Today morning, idli you eat. Tomorrow, dosa. Day after tomorrow, chapati. And the next, puri. Again, next Monday, repeated schedule. Understand my point? You are 1 year or 2 year, 10 years, every day in your company performing only these 10 operations. What is the first operation? What is the Adhyaksha? Adhyaksha means referring the entire group of people is called Adhyaksha. Telugu people know, right? Assembly, Adhyaksha there, na? In assembly, parliament, what the people say? Adhyaksha. Adhyaksha. Now tell me, first one. Package creation and usage. Don't write. Listen. For the first operation. Sir, package, Amazon package. Come on, Amazon package. Packing and delivering, na? Package and deliver. Listen. Tell me, from Amazon, when you buy so many products, one delivery boy early morning collecting all the different packages from okay, suppose in a SR Nagar area, one delivery boy is there to deliver. He is going to the Amazon office. He is collecting all his area related things into one bag. Na? That bag is called what? Package. And each item is called class. What we call? Class. There are so many classes are there. All are related to which area? SR Nagar. Then all are putting in which bag? SR Nagar bag. That SR Nagar bag is what? Package. So in the project, you don't create classes individual. You will create classes under what? Package. Package creation, and after creating classes as a package, you have to use these classes by a person or not. How? He has to take that class from the package out. That is called what? Usage. The first operation you will do in a Java file is package creation. Next operation is what? Using that package. For that, we have some set of keywords are there. First point, understand? Then package ready. Once the package is ready, what do you do? Once the package is ready, what next we do? In the package, what I have to create? Class. Class creation. Come on. What do you do? Class creation. Okay. Inside class, once you create a class, are you visualizing? Class name, open bracket, closed bracket. Inside the class, what you are going to create? Variables and methods creation. Variables and methods creation. Wonderful. For creating class, we have set of keywords. For creating variables and methods, set of keywords. Yesterday I told you, once you create a variable or a method, or they have automatically memory. Once you create variable or method, you want to access it. If you want to access, it should have memory, na? So tell me, is the memory automatically available? No, we have to provide memory. Memory allocation. For providing memory, we have set of keywords. Memory allocation. Super. Next, once you provide memory, everyone concentrate. I created a class. Inside class, I created a variable. Inside variable, what will be there? Values. Those values we are accessing from where? Methods. Inside method, we are writing logic, adding two numbers logic, subtracting two numbers logic, find the given number palindrome or not, find the given number Armstrong number or not. Okay, like this, we are writing some logic. Tell me, yesterday I created a method called add method with the two parameters int a comma int b for taking value. Remember? Tell me now. Once I take that int a int b, this integer value can be a positive number, can be a negative number, can be any range number, 1 digit, 2 digit, 3 digit, 10 digit. But my project is demanding, I don't want negative numbers. Ray Babu, my project demanding sleeping. What I do now, you are sleeping. Did I allow you to sleep? I control your sleeping or not? In Java program also, what should I do? Controlling flow of execution by verifying the given value is right or wrong. If it is a wrong, throw error. If it is a right, perform calculations and generate result. Are you catching my point? Repeat once again. Once I started writing a method, inside this method I am writing logic. 100 lines I have written. When I call this method, all these 100 lines are started running from first line to last line. Na? No, I don't want like that. Some statements I want to execute in some situation. Some statements I don't want to execute in another situation. Some statements I want to execute repeatedly for 10 times. Then what we call it as controlling flow of execution. To tell to compiler, go compiler, execute these 10 lines if the given value is positive. Go compiler, execute these 10 lines for 10 times until value is 10. How can I tell to compiler? For that also I have to use some keywords. Some keywords I have to use. So tell me, what are the minimum operations I have to develop logic? 5 operation. What the first operation? Repeat now. Ah. A little progress each day adds up to big results. Now let me tell you one thing. My classes, initial days, all the people will feel going slow. Okay, going slow, going slow, going slow. Suddenly you will realize, Amma, completed. Are you following? Initially, your other faculty friends who joined with other faculties in hostel, they are going very fast. You are going slow like a tortoise. Finally, who will win? Rabbit or tortoise? Tortoise win the race. Okay, they're going very fast and completing syllabus very fast. After 40 days of our syllabus completed, you will start realizing they don't know anything. When you are talking with them, they will start asking you, are you HK product? I don't talk to you. Directly they will say, are you HK product? No, I don't want to talk to you. They will go away. By the time you are going at 11 o'clock to your room, they will run away from the room or feeling that sleepy or feeling like a busy. Why no? They realize they have less knowledge. You have so much of knowledge. How can you get so much of knowledge? Really by programming knowledge, awareness. Awareness. What is the difference between experienced people and freshers? Experienced people are having lot of awareness on the subject, and fresher people are only focusing on how to write a program, not getting awareness. So when you are getting awareness by adding little day by day, one fine day you will realize that, hey, I know everything in Java. I don't know. I'm not missing anything. I'm feeling everything comfortable. Tell me, I told you, find compile time errors. Tell me day by day, one error we are adding. By the time after 20 days completed, if I open a big program and show you, can I identify error is there or not there? It may be 100 lines or 200 lines of program, least bother. You can easily identify, this is syntax mistake, error, get out. So that is what small we are adding. Today we are adding what? Operations. We are entering into logical programming. For logical programming, what I can do in a Java program, you should know. And tell me, what the first operation you are doing? Package creation and usage. Second operation, class creation. Third operation, variables creation and variables and methods creation. Next, memory allocation. Next, controlling flow of execution. Listen, whenever I am telling this or you are telling this, I am visualizing that operation in the program. Are you visualizing? Are you visualizing only the sentence? No, you have to visualize the program. Subtraction.java open. First what I should create? Package. Next usage. Package creation and next usage. After that, class. Inside the class, variables. And where are you seeing? Open bracket, closed bracket with a space. Now, variables creation. Next to variables creation, method. Method means what you visualize? Void, M1, parenthesis, open bracket, closed bracket. Inside the method, control flow of execution. I have so many lines of code is there. In academics, did you know if, else, for loop, while loop, do while loop, that is what controlling flow of execution. Okay. Next point. Online students, are you replying? You have to talk along with me. Okay. Offline students are now talking along with me. You should also talk at your side. There is a two benefits when you are talking at your side. Number one, you will understand everything. Second, if you are talking in front of your parents, your mother will prepare your favorite food. Yes or no? When you are talking, when you are replying, you never study in your academics. Your mother and father are dying like anything to see when you study. You never study in your life. Now when you're studying Java and shouting outside and telling along with me, then your mother when listening feels so happy and surprised, shocked, and prepare afternoon your favorite food, chicken biryani, mutton biryani, whatever. And your father also observed next month pocket money increased. Right? Two benefits are there. So speak along with me. Next, how do I know? I experienced from previous batches. In previous batch, one student told, sir, thank you so much. Because of you, my pocket money increased. Howrah. Along with you, I'm telling now, sir, my father feels so happy. I'm working very hard. So he's increased my pocket money. My mother is also preparing favorite food. Thank you so much. Look at here, sir. I want to ask you one question. You take your ATM. ATM there? Go to ATM and ATM is asking, enter your card. Swipe the card. Any card you take, swipe the card. Then asking to enter PIN number. I'm entering PIN number 1234. Accepted? That means when you go to ATM, ATM is having one operation called insert card, validate PIN. How many operations are there? 2. That means background you are calling how many methods? 2 methods. Am I allowed to call swipe card? Yes. Am I allowed to call verify PIN? Yes. Am I allowed to call withdraw method by default? No. Am I allowed to call deposit method by default? No. You are allowed to call deposit withdraw method after performing some verification only, na? Yes. That means, are you allowed to access any operation of your class by any programmer in the project? No. That means, what you have to do? You must set access level permissions. You must set access level permissions. Who should access your method? Who should not access your method? You have to set the permissions. Tell me, if you take Aadhaar card, can you change your address? You. No. You can upload the documents, then government verify the documents and change. Are you allowed to change Aadhaar number itself? No. That means there are some permissions to perform operations or not? Next, again, I'm asking another question. Observe. Okay, you are the owner of the bank account. You, your father, your mother, your sister, family, at a time accessing withdraw method. Withdraw operation at a time access on the same account. Allowed or not allowed? Not allowed. One after one allowed. Yes or no? Suppose now this classroom you take. This classroom at a time, 2 faculties can use. Here, this side, all my students are there. I'm standing on this dais, I'm teaching. Okay, that side row, now other faculty taking class for a student. At a time, 2 faculties are talking. Finally, students will come up and be both faculties in a. Yes, sir. Now tell me, that means once I define a method, is this method allowed to execute as I like at a time? No. That means not only access permissions, I should also set what? Execution level permissions. Are you catching my point? We should set also what? Execution level permission. So tell me now, first 5 operations if you implement, your program with the logic ready. But is that logic to access by anywhere in the project? No. Is that logic to execute however you like? No. There should be some restrictions you have to set. Tell me, by developing these 7 operations, is your full program logic with the permissions are ready or not? Everyone understanding? Now tell me guys, I am going to ask a question. What is a lion? What is a lion? Animal. What is a tiger? What is a bus? What is a car? What is a student? Person. Okay. What is a student? Person. What is a faculty? Person. What is this table? Furniture. What is a table? Furniture. What is a chair? Furniture. What is this projector? Electronic device. What is a mobile? Electronic device. That means if you observe in the real world, everything comes under one common type or not. First we are defining the category. First we are defining the group. Under that group, all these objects will be there. Are you catching my point? Bolo, in Java, I created one class. then this class must have one group, one type. This type is called parent. What we call? Parent. Suppose I want to create class lion. Lion is what? Animal. I should create class lion as an individual class, as a child of animal class. If you don't create lion as a child of animal, then lion will be different type, animal will be different type. Lion can be considered as an animal? No. If I want to create a student in Java, I should create a student as a child of what? Person. I should create bus as a person of as a child of what? Vehicle. I should create the projector as a child of what? Electronic device. That means in Java program, once you create the classes, I must establish. I should establish inheritance relation. Inheritance relation is what? Parent-child relation. Everyone understand? Tell me. Once I develop parent-child relation, you are a child, you know. One parent is there for you, na? You bought one house. You buying one house. Tell me, in your house, there will be a one bedroom for your parent also, na? Now your house is divided into two rooms. Master bedroom for you and parent bedroom for your parents. Child bedroom for child. Tell me, my things will be there in my bedroom. My parents' things will be in the parent bedroom. Child things will be in the child bedroom. All are catching my point? Once I create parent-child relation, in a parent class, I created variables and methods. In a child class also, I created variables and methods. I have to show the difference between parent object members and child object members. For that also, I need some keywords, na? Representing object. What object it is? Parent type, child type, and its members, parent type members, child type members. Okay, tell me, just by creating variables and class methods and setting permissions, is it sufficient or not sufficient? Not sufficient. Is your program can come into the world and used by the people? No. If you want to make your class available to the world, you must also specify your class representing child type object or parent type object, or you have to specify. Once you specify child and parent type, then how do I want to access parent class members? I should use one keyword. I want to access child class members. I should use what? Another keyword. All are catching my point? For representing object, either child or parent, and to represent the member, child members or parent members, I have some more classes, some more keywords are there. Everyone tell me, by developing this entire 9 operation, is my project fully developed or not? Yes. Suppose I am creating one new company called HK. What is HK? Is it a mobile company? Is it an online shopping market company? Or is it a teaching company? What is HK? Just I created a company called HK, board is added, then customers will come into my office because there is no clarity. Now I have placed HK programming world. Who will come? Programming learning students will come. HK mobile manufacturing. Mobile showrooms people will come to buy. HK TV servicing shop. Then will come. TV buying people will come. TV servicing people will come. TV got problem, they will come, isn't it? So if you wanted to release your product into market, just learning that skill is not sufficient. The board also should prepare properly. That board is nothing but what? Inheritance. With the inheritance, we prepare the board. Now, final question is, by developing these 9 operation, my program is ready. What is Amazon? What is Amazon? Online shopping application. Yes or no? Tell me, who is the super class here? What is the parent here? Online shopping is the parent. Amazon, child. Flipkart, child. What do you call Mintra, Mantrana? Mintra is also child. Understand? Next, Phone Pay, child of UPI, not online, right? UPI payment. UPI payment is the parent class. Phone Pay is a child. Google Pay is a child. I think other pays are child. Understood? Now, I am the customer. I want to do online payment via UPI payment I want to do. Then what will I do? Will I download UPI payment? No, I will download PhonePe. After PhonePe downloaded or after Amazon downloaded, open Amazon. Tell me, Amazon product is ready in the market. Everyone understand? Now as a customer, okay, tell me, is Amazon come as Amazon or as online shopping? Online shopping. Amazon is a class. Inside contain variables, methods. Okay, and in the methods we have a control flow statement, and the method and variable declared as what? Static. And the next, we said what? Accessibility permissions, execution level permissions, and make this Amazon a subclass of child class of what? Online shopping. Okay, and also we represent, by using keywords, I'm able to access from the Amazon or online shopping. Everything is ready. Now the product is released in the market. Who are you now? Customer. You are accessing this Amazon for doing online payment because it comes under the child of online shopping. It comes under the it comes under online shopping application. Okay, nice. Now I want to access or I want to buy something. First of all, if you want to buy something, I have to log in. Login. Where is login? Now click on sign in. I want to access my project. To access my project, I am the customer. As a customer, I am giving my mobile number, something. Is there any guarantee that the customer will give the right values? There is a chance we'll get wrong values or not? I gave wrong mobile number and click on continue. Then the website should accept it and continue or throw error. That means user doing mistakes on my project. When user doing mistakes on my project, I should handle or not? I did one big mistake in my life. I want to let you know. That day, I also got shocked, and my brother also there in a backseat, he also gets shocked. That's my initial days of learning car. I already learned car, and he want me to learn the car driving on the highway road. Okay, then I am going on the speed of, almost 80 kilometer speed. I am running on the car. I want to move from 4th gear to 5th gear. 5th gear will be there where? Upside. Now I am moving to downside. Downside is what? Reverse. At 80 kilometers speed, if reverse gear is applied, then what happened? Car will be going chakra na? Round, right? Accident happen or not? Tell me, is car allowed me to do that? Not allowed? Not allowed. When I'm trying to move unknowingly to reverse gear, it started giving sound. Hey, okay. Car is giving a sound to me, alarm, Babu, you are doing mistake, Nana. Tell me, car handle my mistake or not? If car is not handle my mistake, today can I teach you Java here? All people understand? Now my brother is deep sleeping. With that sound, he wake up. Hey, just now, what are you doing? Nothing. You can continue sleeping. Then I silently change to 5th gear. So tell me, what is the most important 10th operation I have to do? Handling user mistakes. Handling user mistakes. So tell me, totally, how many operations we perform in a Java program? You are developing small Budgie Hello World program or edition program, a big Amazon project you are developing. Daily, your job is performing one of the operations in these 10 operations. Got clarity? Yeah? Tell me, what you have to do? Listen, forget these 10 operations. Listen and remember and apply every day now. Listen, reply, remember, apply. Now tell me, tomorrow when you come to the class, for what purpose? To learn one of these operations only. Day after tomorrow, one of these operations. Last day of our course, one of these operations only. So tell me, core Java is nothing but learning these 10 operations. If you complete these 10 operations, core Java is Katam. Language is completed. Java language is completed. How many modules are there in our Java language? Hey, much fair. How many modules we have? Full stack Java, 5 modules. Core Java is also, okay, let me take units. How many units are there? 5. First unit is fundamentals. Completed. Which one? This one. Okay, tell me. Fundamentals in our first unit, what we learn? Class creation. All you people learn? First unit is already completed. Next one is what? Logical programming. Logical programming means variables, methods, memory allocation, control flow statements. Advainda Raja? Learning these three topics is nothing but control flow, logical programming. Then what is the object oriented programming? It is all. First 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 is nothing but object oriented program. Once you complete these 10 operations, first 3 units are completed. You are strong in Java and object oriented program. Then what next I use? By using these 10 operations, every day we have to develop some common logics. What do you have to develop? Common logics. You write, I write. In every project I have to write. That common logics in every project I have to write, or I should use ready-made code. Ready-made code. Sun Microsystem has already developed common logics ready-made code. That common logics ready-made code we are learning as part of Java API. That is unit number 4. Once you complete all these logics and common logic, business logic and common logic, then we develop one project to implement all these 10 operations. That is last unit. Understand what you are learning next coming 40 days or 45 days? Right. Next coming 45 days, you are learning these 10 operations only. Already we completed second operation. Remaining operations we are learning. So hope you got clarity on what you learn next 40 days. Right or no? What are the different operations you can perform by using keyword? In a Java program, by using keywords, we will perform below 10 operations. Answer? Only 10 operations. Add smile face. Only these 10 operations, add smile face, backside. Only these 10 operations. Put it in box. Are you copying or trying to write by your own? Hey, don't copy. Already you learned. Show your talent. First, try to recollect. First one, package creation and usage. Second one, class creation. Third one, not getting into my mind. Then look, memory allocation. Fourth one, first you ask yourself. If your mind is not giving answer, then only look at screen. Don't copy from the screen. Yesterday I told you I'll give you some videos, right? Okay. Yesterday I recorded. Still they are in editing. Some editing required because YouTube has a short accept only 1 minute. No. In that 1 minute, that trying to bring into 1 minute, some adjustment is going on. Editing is going on. Maybe today or tomorrow you will get that videos. Okay. Entry questions you can practice at any time. It's not a big deal. Can I have class this Sunday? Class, can I take class? Any exams, any Sunday exams? Because already last Monday I have taken a holiday, na? I should compensate that holiday, right? If you are okay, I will take class. Otherwise, no. So, Sunday is your wish. Okay, Sunday if you don't class, then May 6th is the last class. 1 day extra I have to take now. 1 day extra, no problem, sir. Sunday no class. We can spend 1 more extra day and okay, no problem. Sunday? No Sunday class. Sir. Sorry, Saturday we will decide, okay na? Many people are saying no. Sunday and holidays, sir. Who will come, sir? Chicken day, mutton day, sleeping day. Next Sunday, okay na? Okay. Next Sunday, okay. Sorry. Confirm. This Sunday, no class. Okay. This Sunday, no class. Next week, again, I will. Sunday, okay. Na. Okay. Some other people say this Sunday, no, sir. Next Sunday, okay. Okay. No problem. Next Sunday, confirm. Next Sunday, for you to confirm. Some other students, no confirmation. Completed, buddy? You know, Mukesh Ambani also not this much busy as students. So you have very tight, busy schedule, okay? Fifth operation. How many keywords? How many keywords are there in Java? How many keywords are there in Java? Tell me, how many keywords are there? Very important. Faculty to faculty. One website to another website. One YouTube channel to another YouTube channel. Keywords list is changing. So, but now we have to finalize it. Okay. You are which version developer? Java 8 or Java 11? Now there are two version Java developers in the market. Java 8 version, Java 11 version, Java 17 version. Not latest version, Java 21. Okay. Up to 17 now companies are upgrading. Java 8 Jamana over. Almost all companies are migrating to 11 or 17. So your answer should be according to minimum according to Java 11 version you have to give. Right. Java supports 51 keywords. Java supports 51 keywords. Sir, my sir told 53 keywords, sir. Vasta, annidike vasta, okay? Listen. For performing above 10 operations, Java has 51 keywords. Tell me, are these keywords available, 51 keywords available from the first version itself? No. Among them, 47 keywords are available from Java 1.0 itself. First version, 1.0 itself. From 1.0 we have 47 keywords are there. In Java 1.2 version, new keyword strict FP is added. In Java 1.2 version, strict FP is added. Totally how many keywords become? 48. In Java 1.4 version, another new keyword, assert is added. How many keywords now? 49. Listen, wonderful order of some ecosystem following. 1.0, new keyword. 1.1, no keyword. 1.2, new keyword. 1.3, no keyword. 1.4, new keyword. Totally how many are there? 50. Up to Java 8, let us consider. Java 9 underscore up to Java 8, let's consider. Okay. Tell me, 1.5, new keyword there or not there? Not there. Kada? You are showing your talent, Ray. Sun Microsystem, unfortunately, comes to that order. Okay, is they are not following that order actually. Alternate not following, right? Java 5 version. One more new keyword. One more keyword. What is that? Enum. So don't come to your own conclusions. That's what I'm saying. Don't show your is added. What is that keyword? So up to Java 8 version, we have how many keywords? 50 keywords. From Java 5, 6, 7, 8, any new keywords are there? No. Then in Java 9 version, single underscore is made as keyword. Underscore was there in Java from 1.0, but as a keyword or not as a keyword? Not as a keyword, as a just a special character. From Java 9 version onwards, it is made as a keyword. So totally 51 keywords are. From Java 10 version, do you have any new keywords? Come on. There are not there. How many keywords I told? 51. There are any other keywords? No. But there is a twist here. From Java 10 version, new words are added, but not as keywords. Why? From Java 10 version also, new words are added, but not as keywords. 52 keywords. ఎక్కడి నుంచి వచ్చింది 52? Nana, any mistake I did? Darshan? 47. Okay, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51. Do you know any new keyword? Darshan? Then why are you showing your talent? From Java 10 version also, new words are added, but not as keywords. Why? Tell me. If added as a keyword, what is the problem? If some word is added as a keyword, what is the problem? Let me tell you one thing. In Java 5 version, entire Java community suffered a lot. Every project they have redeveloped because of the new keyword enum. In Java, we have an interface called, we have one type of class called enumeration. For creating object of enumeration, we have written enumeration space enum equal to new enumeration. We have written this statement. In project, many places we have written. Java 5 version, when I upgrade from Java 1.4 to Java 5, then the project's compilation failed because enum is a keyword. Just now in the previous example, we have written what the rules in using keyword. Can I use a keyword as my identifier? No. If I use a keyword as an identifier, suppose if I write here int enum equals to 20, compile or not compile? Not compile. Because enum is a, from which version onwards? Java 5. Before Java 5 is enum keyword? No. Tell me. It is compile time error from which version? Java 5 version onwards. Then tell me, from Java 5, in Java, when I upgrade from Java 4 to Java 5, I have to change this keyword name, variable name or not? Is it happen in one project or in every project in the world? Tell me, if you add some word as a keyword, projects are getting affected or not? That's why Java 10 version onwards, listen carefully, from Java 10 version onwards also, new words are added, but not as a keyword for avoiding compile time errors and to allow using these words as identifiers. Write down, write down, write down. From Java 10 version onwards, these new words are called as or calling as number one, restricted uh, restricted keywords. Number two, special identifiers. Restricted keywords and restricted keyword. This word is Java 9 only. Special identifiers from Java 10 version. From Java 10 version, Java, you can add here 9 also on top or side somewhere. It's from Java 9 and 10 version. From Java 9 version and 10 version onwards, these new words are calling as restricted keywords, special identifiers. Now tell me, there is a confusion now. Sometimes I am saying keywords. Sometimes I am telling restricted keywords. Sometimes I am telling what? Special identifiers. There is a confusion now. That's why from Java, I think 19 version, please give me 2 minutes. Let me check once. Let me confirm. Arav Gupta, what are the keywords? Tell me. Give me the list of keywords. Amar, why you are showing your talent? What okay, yeah? This is called sugar problem. Understood? I didn't give the list of 51 keywords because first I am preparing the terminology. Why you are hurry? Unnecessary confusing your brain. Arey, what are you talking? Something I am doing. This is for my sake or your sake? My sake. For your sake, I am trying to do something here. What am I doing? Look at the screen here. What I am clicking, what I am changing, which version I am verifying, where I am verifying. Is it not your work? ఏం మాట్లాడుకుంటారా బాయ్ లైక్ లవర్స్ చిచ్చు చిచ్చు అని Something I am doing on the screen, what I am doing, where I am clicking, what I am clicking, check. You only have to do this all verification in the future by yourself. Look at here. From Java 17 version onwards, a new terminology is came. All keywords are divided into two groups: reserved keywords, contextual keywords. Listen, up to Java 16 version, the terminology is like this: identifiers. Only one word is there called what? Keyword. How many keywords are there? 51 keywords. List is there. Next, there is a word called here. If you go, look at that. Where, yield, record are not keywords, but they are restricted identifiers. This term restricted identifier came from the next version, initial version. If you choose Java 10 version, 1 second, I'll show you that. In somewhere in the middle version that got changed. In Java 10 version, it is called special identifier, lexical structure, keywords. Okay, na? In Java 10 version, what Sun Microsystem calling it as? It is not a keyword, rather an identifier with a special meaning. So what is this? Special identifier. It is a special identifier. So in the next version, somewhere they have changed the word to what? Restricted identifier. Restricted keywords, restricted identifier or special identifier. Now tell me, what is the meaning of restricted? That means, is this word considered as a keyword everywhere or some place only? This is a restricted area. Everyone can go inside? No. MLA, MP, CM only can go. Ordinary people can go inside? No. When they are coming outside on the normal road, who are they? Normal person. When they entered inside, then who are they? CM, PM. Tell me. Now I am standing on this dais. Then you will be call me as what? Faculty. You are there. You will call what? Student. We both people going on the road. Who are you and me? Keywords. Are you catching my point? So what is the point I'm trying to tell? In some special programming place, these words are considered as a keywords. Remaining place considered as a normal word. You can use as a identifier. Hello, but the first 51 keywords are keywords. You cannot use anywhere as an identifier. So the first 51 are the keywords. They are reserved. You cannot use as an identifier. Remaining these words newly coming from Java 9, Java 10 version, these are also keywords, but they are not they are not regular keywords. They are reserved words. Some places you cannot use them as a keyword. Some places you can, some places you cannot use them as an identifier. Some places you can use them as an identifier. Is it clear my point? From Java 17 version onwards, the terminology is changed. What is that? From Java 17 version, all these 70, around 3 are there, but all these underline. That words I didn't remember exactly. 1 second, let me check. 1 minute, let me check my pre-material. 73, totally 73 words are there, I guess. Quickly, I'll check and give you the number. If it is there here, we'll see. I didn't remember exactly. Totally 70. One more, 70 I have to learn. Don't worry. From Java 17 version onwards, all these 70 words are grouped into two categories. Number one, reserved keywords. Number two, contextual keywords. How many reserved keywords? 51. How many are contextual keywords? Remaining. Any remaining? 19. One second. This one don't take as a 19. This is a 19 minus 3, 16. 16. Third one, default literals. Or you can say, one second, sir. In place of default, better you write reserved literals. Reserved literals, 3. Reserved keywords, contextual keywords, reserved literals. All 51 keywords and 3 reserved literals we cannot use them as user defined identifiers, either as class name, either as a class name, or variable name, or method name. It leads to compile time error. The contextual keywords. How many? 16. Can be used as user defined identifiers. Can be used as user defined identifiers in some part of the program. They act as keywords. So they are named. So they named as context. Based on the context, you have to behave, right? There is a context means what? Based on the situation. As a context keywords. They are named or they named. They named ante they are giving name to other person, right? They are named as context keywords, contextual keywords. Contextual means situation. In bracket, you can write situation. Now the question. What the point number? 5 or 6? Put confusion point. How many keywords are there in Java? How many reserved words there in Java? If this question asked in the interview, what will you answer? How many keywords are there in Java? Arey bhaiya, I didn't explain anything, Rabab. I gave you only list. I didn't explain. I didn't give the list of keywords. I didn't explain the contextual program means. Just I am giving you situations. Accept, Raswami. Tell me, without explaining, you are asking question. Then you are called what? Contextual. Okay, na? Without understanding situation, you are asking question. And tell me, how many keywords are there in Java? Bolo? 51. You are say 51. How many reserved words are there in Java? 70. Keywords also reserved, na? Keywords are also reserved. So you should count that 51 also. Understand? Tell me, how many reserved or default literals are there in Java? 3. This is the answer you have to remember. Enter, you may ask any question. There are some confusion, masters will be there. They will ask question whatever they wish. I cannot do anything. This is the actual answers. How many keywords are there in Java? 51. How many reserved words are there in Java? 70. How many reserved or default literals are there in Java? 3. Babu, 70 plus 3, no. Understand? This 51, 3 are inside what? 70. Did you write this question? Better wait. Let me ask in a different way. One second, one second. Better let me ask. 7. How many result literals? 3. How many restricted keywords? 10. How many restricted identifiers? 6. Totally count how many are there? Totally 70 came up. 70 came up. How many reserved words? 7. All these are considered as what? Reserved words. But the reserved words are divided into 3 categories. 1 second. One more question. How many contextual keywords are there in Java? Bolo? 16. What are the 16? 10 plus 6. Restricted keywords 10. Restricted identifiers 6. Then totally how many reserved words are there in Java? 70. Any question may ask interviewer, you should be able to answer. Who is your first interviewer? Who is your first interviewer? I am the first interviewer. Next interviewer? You yourself. Who is the third interviewer? Advanced Java faculty. Who is the fourth interviewer? Spring Boot faculty. Who is your last interviewer? Company interview. Understood? So tomorrow I am going to ask you all these questions, expecting everyone to answer. Can you? Sir, what are the keywords comes under 51? I want to know the list, sir. So tomorrow can you spend 15 minutes? Today I got some lot of knowledge. Actually, I have covered up to 21 all the terminology. Because of this terminology, some excess time I have taken. Okay. So tomorrow we will list out all these 70 words and then we'll start new chapter. Will you by heart all this content and come? Today class is very important class for entering into logical programming. For next 40 days of your class, understanding or not understanding is depending on today class. Today class, if you neglect studying, tomorrow you'll face the problem. Everyone understand? Now tell me what did we learn in today class? Let's quickly revise. We learn what is a keyword. Chalo, tell me, check what is a keyword? Keyword is an identifier, predefined identifier. It has a special meaning in Java program and perform one unique operation. Then only we call it as keyword. If it doesn't perform any operation, can we call it as a keyword? No, we call it as just a reserved word. Tell me. Next, what are the rules we must follow in using a keyword? Hey, two rules. Hey, how many rules and what are they? Two rules. Number one, I should not use it as a identifier. Number two, all letters should use in lowercase. Arey Yarasoka. Red t-shirt. क्या यासना तेलुगु हिंदी है हिंदी क्या कर रहे हैं बोलो कितना रूल्स हैं कीवर्ड यूज करने का कितना रूल्स है व्हाट आर दे unable to hear speak louder shout second ask your friend ask bhaiya ask we can use a we cannot use a we cannot use with lower case we can use a we cannot use a we must use all letters in lower case only because it is predefined. Java is case sensitive. Okay. Why you are talking to your friend? Is class completed? And then next time if you do that one, madre. Next tell me, what is the purpose of keyword? To perform one operation by compiler and JVM. To tell to compiler and JVM to perform one operation. And next, what are the different operations we can perform? 10. Now come on, try quickly. What are the 10? The package creation and usage, class creation, variables methods creation, memory allocation, controlling flow of execution, setting access level permission, setting execution level permission, establishing inheritance relation, representing object and its members, handling user mistake. Seventh onwards only coming. up to 6-1 votes came. After Srutil Galbesar, okay. How many keywords are there in Java? 51. How many keywords are? Why 2 times came? Why 2 times came? Java supports 51 keywords. Ajay, 1 second. Here I should write one more question. Or 50, okay. What are the new keywords? What are the keywords? Okay, or say are these 51 keywords available from first version Java 1.0? What the answer? No. Okay. Next. You don't write, okay? And tell me. Why? Okay. What is the meaning of restricted keywords and identifiers? Okay. From which version these restricted keywords and identifiers are available? Okay. Next. What is the meaning of or I can say what are the new names used from Java 17 version for keywords? Okay. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now tell me, are these 51 keywords available from first version? No. How many are there? 47. Okay. What is the meaning of restricted keywords and identifiers? There are some new words added from Java 9 and 10 version. They are not completely keywords. Some places they are considered as a keyword, some places they are not considered as a keywords. And we can use these keywords and identifiers as a user defined identifier. From which version these restricted words and identifiers are available? 9 version onwards. What restricted keywords available from 9 version? Java 10 version onwards, restricted identifiers are available. What are the new names used from Java 17 version for keywords? Reserved words, reserved words, reserved keywords, contextual keywords, and restricted, reserved literals. Reserved literals. Tell me, how many keywords are there in Java? 51. How many reserved or default literals available? 3. How many restricted keywords are available? 10. How many restricted identifiers? 6. How many contextual keywords? 16. Totally, how many reserved words? 7. So you have to remember, and tomorrow we will spend 15 minutes time to complete understanding 17 words. You have that capacity, remember. Okay. These 15 questions requesting all the people practice and come. Every point you have written notes. Clear my point? Can I expect? Tomorrow class is very, very important class, no? After tomorrow onwards, can you challenge your Amit paid friends? Shall I ask one question? Everyone go to your Amit paid hostel. In hostel, find someone who learning Java. Ask them, Arey, what is a restricted keyword? What is a restricted identifier? What is a totally how many keywords there in Java? Totally how many reserved words are there in Java? What is a contextual keyword? From which version it is added? Ask these questions, not for teasing them, not for insulting them, for improving your knowledge. Knowledge grows when you share your knowledge. Whenever you share this knowledge to your friends, immediately they will tell you one statement. What is that? Not required. Understand my point? This all bakwas knowledge, time wasting, not required. Not required. How many letters in English? When they say 26, not required. Now why you are learning? So how much more letters, vocabulary, knowledge you have, that much more English or Hindi, Telugu speaker you will become. You know, right? So tell me, letters are completed. How many letters in Java? 3. What the 3? Classroom, main method, SOPLN. Letters are over. And now what you are learning now? Vocabulary. Vocabulary, how many words are there? 70 only. In English, how many words? Omo, so many. Infinite. Telugu, infinite. But in Java, restricted. How many? 70. If you learn 70 vocabulary, then learning Java, building the Java statements, building Java paragraphs will be easy. So tomorrow class is most important. Don't miss. Thank you. Good night. Thanks, sir. Thanks, sir. Java software is platform dependent. Java program fully platform independent. Okay. Basic elements are 8. 3. That is small mistake. I will tell. In that book, there is a small. The topic didn't cover. Na, I'll cover next Monday. I'll cover. Monday we are entering into object-oriented programming. There I will touch. Totally 8 programming elements. Basic 8. Totally 23. Totally 23. 8. Admin అడగండి. Online students, any questions? How to develop logic? Next class. Syed Amir already updated. Read volume. Read the Xerox material 1. In Xerox material 1, a complete notes is there. Already uploaded, na? In a classroom, introduction to Java, Xerox material 1. Second chapter also there, check. Already uploaded, Bhagavan. ఇంకా చెప్పలేదు నేను ఇంకా చెప్పలేదు, రేపు చెప్తా. ఈ రోజులోనే టెర్మినాలజీ ఇంట్రొడ్యూస్ చేశాను అంతే. ఎందుకంటే ఈ మొత్తం కీవర్డ్స్ అని ఇంట్రొడ్యూస్ చేసిన తర్వాత కీవర్డ్ టెర్మినాలజీ చెప్తే అర్థం కావట్లేదు అని ముందలే ఈ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేశారు, టెర్మినాలజీ చెప్పాను. రేపు ఏమేమి వర్డ్స్ 51 వర్డ్స్ ఏంటి కీవర్డ్స్, 3 ఏంటి రిజల్ట్ లిటరల్స్ ఏంటి, నెక్స్ట్ 10 రిస్ట్రిక్టెడ్ వర్డ్స్ అంటే ఏంటి ఎక్కడ వస్తాయి, అని 6 రిజర్వ్ వర్డ్స్ ఏంటి ఎక్కడ వస్తాయి అయినా రేపు చెప్తాను, లిస్ట్ ఇస్తాను.